Hi, this is Williams, and today we're going to talk about rapidograph pens. Technical pens, sometimes called rapidographs, in the way that some people call all tissues Kleenex, are the perfect topic for a video about comic-making tools that are dwindling in popularity. Looking like a cross between a drawing instrument and a syringe, technical pens were designed and used for one purpose only: to draw lines with measurable and consistent width. Replacing the ruling pen, which had ink flowing between two calipers adjustable by a screw, the technical pen first hit the scene in 1934. Designs vary, but most of them are composed of a great many parts that all thread together. Brands are not cross-compatible, and they are prone to getting clogged. Each manufacturer seemingly has its own ingenious solutions to the problem of making a consistent line and avoiding clogs, but the basic designs work like this. The handle is threaded onto the nib component, which holds the ink cartridge or reservoir. The ink flows down a tube with a pin or needle in the center, which protrudes just slightly from the tip. As the tip of the pen moves across the paper, the pin is pushed up, opening up the flow of ink. In practice, using these pens takes a bit of getting used to. They function best when held perpendicular to your drawing surface, which is not how most of us are used to drawing. Doing this ensures even contact with the flat tip of the pen tube, thus a consistent line. I find technical pens enjoyable, but not relaxing to draw with. If you're looking for any kind of fluidity or line variation in your inking, this is not the tool for you. If you are interested in consistent width lines, then look no further. The different widths a set of pens can produce make it easy to apply distance in a drawing and can be a great way to ink lettering or mechanical and inorganic objects. They even make shading with hatch and stipple enjoyable. Another great thing about certain versions of these pens is you can fill the reservoir with any kind of ink. By the 1950s, fountain pen versions hit the scene, and by the 1960s, a version with an ink tube became widely available. This, along with pens that utilize an ink cartridge, are still being produced by a few companies, though they have largely been replaced by disposable liner pens and, of course, computers. The ISO, the International Standards Organization, created a standardized set of widths and corresponding colors, so that when a drawing was made using a particular width technical pen, a reproduction and reduction of that drawing would be consistent in size. Remember that everything that is made digitally now was once drawn by hand, and making reliable lines was extremely important for architects, engineers, draftsmen, and occasionally comic artists. Hope this was helpful. Bye.